Hello traders, I hope you had a wonderful weekend. We had a long weekend. Today we had a bank holiday in London. But I did a couple of analysis to help my traders to bank few pips. So today was the first trading day of the week and the first trading day of the month, 3rd of April 2021. And let me share with you guys how I helped my traders today to bank few pips through live intraday analysis. Just quickly recap traders. These are the intraday analysis alongside with the 4-hour analysis. If you would like to know how I trade through this platform and provide live intraday analysis in real time, please watch that video. Link is given in the video description. Let's move into the three major currency pair: Euro USD, Pound Dollar, and the Dollar CAD. Right, so as you can see here in Dollar CAD in 4-hour, price nicely respected this support level and the 100 EMA, and we had such a beautiful two counter long trade. Even if you can see here, we had a beautiful bullish engulfing candle. And if I show you you can see here we had a counter long trade. And if I show you the intraday analysis of Euro USD, if you look at here, based on the momentum we were expecting in the morning, as I said to my traders, look for the first priority would be the pullback short. Based on the momentum, we were expecting a pullback. We haven't seen any red candle, as explained in intraday, that after the breakout pullback, you can see here price nicely broken and pullback. Then we announced through live audio commentary it's a long opportunity, counter long opportunity. As soon as the price hit this level, we announced to consider tightening your stop loss. At the New York session, as you can see, we explained to trader if the price is going to break, respect this orange EMA, and also if the price is going to break the previous high, we're going to have another long trade, and which we did. And as soon as the price later on hit this level, and that's why we announced to our trader to bank some profit. Even if you look at here, we had such a nice counter long trade. So we're expecting might gonna hit this level in 4-hour, then possibility of pullback short, but we'll see tomorrow. But as you can see here, based on the 4-hour, we had a two counter long trade on Euro USD. All right, so let's move into the pound dollar. Pound dollar, we had such a beautiful, if you look at the 4-hour, the price developed sort of consolidation. But if you look at here, this was the support level previously respected here, and then we had price nicely respected this daily support, and afterwards, as soon as the price developed, you can see here double bottom that give us the confirmation long, and then we taken this breakout long, and we are long whole day in pound dollar, and we expecting this was our first target. If you look at here, price respected this level and this level, and we banked some profit. We were long whole day, pull back until the price hit this level. As you can see here, we had such a beautiful rally in pound dollar. And if I show you the intraday analysis, if you look at here, we had two beautiful analysis. We did analysis. This was the New York London morning session. As you can see here, this is the breakout, and if this breakout, if you look at in 4-hour, this was the breakout. This was the breakout. As soon as the price broken here, and in intraday, this is the breakout. Afterwards, you can see here momentum bullish, and that's what we explained to trader. Just keep taking a pullback as long as the momentum is bullish. We bank some profit here, and at the New York session, we explained to trader if the price is going to respect this orange EMA and break the previous high, we should be taking another long here, and the target would be this level in 4-hour, which I explained to you guys. As soon as the price hit this level, we explained to trader it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here we had such a beautiful long trade based on the 4-hour, and beautiful trades today, guys. Bank beautiful pips, especially on pound dollar. All right, guys, so let's move into the dollar CAD. Dollar CAD, we had a consolidation. We haven't seen any big moves. Even if you look at here, we had a one. If you look at the 4-hour, we don't see any sort of movement. Price is developing a sideways market. We had a one small long trade and one short trade at the New York session. And if you look at here, we don't see any big volatility, big movement. we had this breakout short trade and announced to consider tightening stop loss. Some of the traders are still holding this short. Let's see how it goes. But we had this morning this breakout long trade. As soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. And if I show you the analysis, you can see here we don't have any sort of volatility, but based on the intraday analysis, we had this breakout. As soon as the price hit, bank some few pips, and at the New York session, based on the momentum, we had another beautiful pullback, breakout short trade, and as soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. So still, let's see tomorrow if the price is going to break in 4 hour. Probably going to be taking a short trade here, but if you look at in the 4 hour, you can see here consolidation. So we are looking this breakout sideways market in 4 hour. So let's see how the market is going to react tomorrow. We'll let you know, guys. And we have only a few pippies on dollar CAD, but we managed beautiful pips on pound yen. And if you look at here in 4 hour, and if you look at here, this one bullish engulfing candle, beautiful, respected at the support level, you can see here. And we banked after this one, we were long and bank as soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. You can see this was the major resistance level, bank some profit. And if you look at here, we were long. And if I show you the intraday analysis, you can see here we were long as soon as the price broken above. And if you look at the 4 hour, as soon as the price developed this bullish engulfing candle and the price broken here, this trend, as you can see, downside channel pattern, and afterwards we announced to trader to banks up, keep taking a long trade here. Then we also updated this analysis at the London morning session when the price developed this sideways consolidation and looking for another breakout. As you can see, as mentioned on the analysis, we had this one breakout, and after the breakout, another pullback. So we were long until as soon as the price hit this level, develop a double top, and that's what we explained to trader, it's time to bank some profit. So you can see here, guys, we had such an amazing beautiful trades on pound yen. We also had a beautiful trades on Aussie dollar. If you look at the Aussie dollar in 4 hour, you can see here price nicely respected the support level. As soon as the price broken, we had this long trade, and as soon as the price hit this level, we announced to bank some profit. As you can see here in euro, in Aussie dollar. If I show you here, these are the analysis. We had a beautiful, this was the analysis I did at the market open last night, pulled back long, and afterwards this is the analysis I did at the London morning session. You can see here price nicely respected, breakout, and after the breakout pullback, that's give us the confirmation long trade. And I also updated this analysis again, as I said to you guys, as soon as the price develop another movement, another pattern. As you can see here, based on the London morning, we were long, and at the New York session, explained to traders, look for another pullback at this level. As you can see here, price nicely developed pullback as soon as the price hit to the profit target in 4 hour. As you can see here, beautiful. At that time, we explained to trader, now it's time to bank some profit. So I wasn't expecting that move because today we had a London bank holiday in the UK, but still we managed. As you can see here, beautiful pips today, guys. All right, guys, I hope you have enjoyed all this analysis review. If you would like to see all that analysis in real time alongside with the 4 hour analysis with the live RD commentary support, even if you don't have Forex trading experience, as I said to you, my main objective is to train trader with the live market through live intraday analysis in real time, so they can develop their trading skill and providing them live support in real time. So if you are interested, as I said to you guys, we also provide funding to successful traders. So if you are interested to know more about it, feel free to book one-to-one consultation, and that's completely free. And my availability calendar link is also given in the video description. So most welcome, guys. Or even if you are experienced trader, as you have seen, this is purely price action, and I'm pretty sure you're gonna love banking pips alongside by my professional trader. So most welcome to join my fast growing trader community. Thank you for watching this video. Have a nice evening. Stay blessed. And until next time, all the best.